Hey Capricorn, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. So this is going to be your love reading for the month of May. From what I've seen here already, I feel like whoever messed up in the situation, so if it wasn't you, it was definitely your significant other, your ex, whoever. This person definitely broke the trust between the two of you, and I feel like this person definitely wants to reach out to talk to you if he or she has not done so just yet. They want to open up, they want to express to you how they feel, they maybe also want to give you some type of truth to a situation that you guys were dealing with. The thing is, this person may have a hard time like really opening up to you, so they may hit you up like trying to take a playful approach first, like just trying to feel you out, and then it's like if the coast is clear, then they'll dive into the hard stuff. But see, y'all don't have time for that, okay? So yeah, let's see how this goes. But yeah, this person is definitely coming back in. They want to talk to you, so let's see, Capricorn, how this is gonna play out second half of April. Ooh. Y'all, my cards, I've been saying this in all the videos because my cards feel heavy. So I don't know what's going on with this energy. Hell, I don't know if it's this cloth. But it's like, my cards are just like, I don't know. I can't explain it. It's just, it feels weird. Anyway, so yeah, let's jump in. Y'all have issues. Let's jump in and see what's going on. Okay, so bottom of the deck, I have the Chariot reverse. So some of you guys could be dealing with a Cancer, or this is basically telling me that you guys have decided not to move forward with this person or in a situation that you were in. Yeah, you guys cut something out. You cut this person off. And you could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. But yeah, y'all are done. Y'all are tired of the nonsense. So you cut this person off. There's the Emperor. You could be dealing with an Aries. I feel like you guys just want stability in your life, and you realize that the person that you were dealing with, they did not bring stability in at all. You know, this person could have been very stubborn, pride and ego issues, but, you know, you're like, no, I'm tired. Because, see, Capricorn, when you two were together, whether you're dating, in a relationship, marriage, whatever, you were the one putting in all of the work. And it's like, when you realize enough is enough, I thought you definitely cut this person off. But now this person, since you cut them off, it's like they want stability with you, and now they're feeling guilty because of the way that they treated you. You know, and I feel like that's why they want to talk to you. See? But you guys aren't having it. You're no longer putting your time, effort, or energy into that situation, and you're focusing on yourself. Could be dealing with an earth sign, another Capricorn like yourself, Taurus, or a Virgo. But you guys are not taking a leap towards this person. And I feel like this person may not even be taking a leap towards you because they're scared of you rejecting them. See? They want to give you an offer, but they're scared that you're not going to accept it. And see, they're back and forth with the Wheel of Fortune. It's like this person wants to move forward with you, but at the same time, they're not. Because I feel like they are scared of rejection. Maybe somebody is afraid that their finances are not in the best shape. But it's more so from what I'm seeing here, they're scared that you're going to reject them. And this is why they're just not moving forward, even though they really, really want to. Could be dealing with a Pisces, but it's like this person wants to speak their truth to you. Tell me more. Yeah, this person wants a victory with you, and they're going to come in and communicate that to you. They definitely want to work things out. They want to balance things out with you, Capricorn. Tell me more. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Clarify the Queen of Wands, please. Hold on, let me make sure. Give me 1 second, y'all. Okay, yep. You guys are the Queen of Wands. So this is telling me that you guys are just basically remaining positive at this point. Your head is held high. You've been healing. You're focusing on you. And it's like when you guys look back at the situation, you're realizing that this person was sneaky in the past. And you're like, you know what? I can't trust you. And you feel like they need to clean up their act because you got tired of them stabbing you in the back. And you guys just been healing is what I'm seeing here. But somebody is not using their intuition. So let's see. Clarify the High Priestess in reverse for me, please. Yeah, somebody's not worried about it. Let's see, what's going on? Okay, hold on. Alright, so let's figure out how I want to do this. I feel like you guys aren't worried about it, right? But Spirit is saying there's something about you, Capricorn, you're not using your intuition. Because I feel like some of you guys, even though you moved on, you're still holding on to the hurt. And I feel like Spirit is saying to let it go. But then at the same time, like, some of y'all, I don't know how I want to say this. I don't know. Somebody is just like, their guides are trying to, like, show you guys something. And y'all are, like, I feel like there's a stubborn energy with you a little bit. But also, it could be with this person. But whatever is going on with your situation, you're not worried about it. I feel like this person, they had you waiting, and it's like, you're like, you know what, no, I'm not doing this with you. You can't make up your mind. I'm tired of you not having no money, so I gotta go. Like, we're not doing this anymore, you know. And I feel like this person definitely wants things to improve with you. If somebody is worried about finances, I feel like money is coming in, but at the same time, speaking of the commitment, the relationship, somebody, whoever messed up, they're having a problem because they feel like the seeds that were planted, they're not going to grow because of the mess that they put you in, and they feel like they cause so much drama, like things are not going to work out. And so they're stuck at a crossroads needing to make a decision. Tell me more. Could be dealing with an Aquarius. See, they're trying to have hope that they can come back in to fix things with you. Tell me more. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini, but see, I'm telling you, this person, I don't even want to look at that, it didn't feel right. This person caused an imbalance within the relationship because, see, this landed right on top of my trust card, so they definitely broke your trust, Capricorn. Or it could be vice versa, whatever, take it however it fits, but trust was definitely broken here, and this person doesn't want you to cut them off. You could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra, but see, this person is moving extremely slow to come towards you because they know that they ghosted you. They definitely left you out in the cold, and it's like, they're hoping that, you know, you can forgive them for their actions. I'm telling you, they do not want to walk away. They don't want you to walk away from them, let me say it like that. So, with the Ace of Wands, this person definitely wants to give you and offer you a new beginning. But see, they don't know how to approach you at this point. They're undecided if they... Yeah, I'm sorry, I keep pausing. It's a lot coming to me. Like, okay, whoever messed up, this person is regretting their actions and they want to come back in to offer you this new beginning, but they're undecided about how they should go about doing that. Should they pop up at your job? Should they pop up at your house? Should they call? Did you block them on social media? So, like, did you block them from your phone? Should they shoot a signal, like a little flare or whatever? Smoke signals, okay? They don't know what to do, all right? Should they drop something off in your mailbox? Don't do that because that's illegal. So, you know what I'm saying? Like, they're just trying to figure out what to do at this point. Because they really want to make things work. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. Oh, hell. Alright, so listen, hold on. They know that they hurt you, but I'm gonna be honest, there's some type of mother figure here, so it could be a situation, and it's next to the Empress, so this could be that this person could have been dealing with someone that they have a child with, or there is some type of child involved here. For some of you guys, it could be a situation to where even if you don't want to work something out, you could be pregnant by this person. That's not all of y'all, but for a select few, I am picking that up. Let me see. Clarify the Empress. Some of y'all found out about a pregnancy. Clarify the Empress. Let me just see what comes out. Yeah, Capricorn. Okay, so Capricorn. For some of you guys, did y'all find out that y'all were pregnant by this person that you walked away from? And now there is a level of fear here? Or is it a situation to where the person that you were dealing with could have got someone else pregnant, or there's a child involved, and now it's like, you don't know if you can, if you really don't know if you even want to deal with that situation for some of y'all. Let me see. Tell me about the Devil. You guys could be dealing with another Capricorn, but let's just see. That's not for everybody, so just take it if it fits your situation. Yeah, there's some type of information that's coming in. But yeah, there's a pregnancy here. There's definitely a pregnancy. I feel like whoever messed up, they want a new beginning with you, but they're scared because either they got someone else pregnant or you're pregnant. It's something like that. And it's like, okay, so Capricorn, if you're pregnant, you're like, do I really want to tell this person? It's like, what do I do? Or if the person got someone else pregnant, it's like, I know I want to be with my Capricorn, but this is going to break her heart or his heart, whatever. And what am I supposed to say? Now, if this has nothing to do with pregnancy for your situation, it is something to where this person does want a new beginning with you, but they know that they hurt you so bad and they're scared to come towards you to give you this offer and to speak their truth because they were being a player in the past. And it's like now they want to take the initiative to come towards you to speak their truth. See, this person wants a happy home with you. Yeah, this person, whoever messed up, they're coming out of worrying. They're coming out of being frustrated. And they're going to come in to give you an offer. It is a small offer because you guys don't trust them. But they're having a hard time. And it's like they don't know what to do. They don't know what to do. You are their wish fulfillment. They want you. They want to marry you. They see everything with you. But at the same time, they are still avoiding a tower moment. They haven't learned their lesson. The way this tower just came out, they are avoiding it. Let me see. Clarify the tower, please. See what I'm saying? With the magician here reversed, they're not being positive about something. Tell me about this magician reverse. Yeah, something was shown to them, and I feel like it shook up their world. Like it's changing something on their end, and see now they're trying to clean something up. They're trying to clear away obstacles right now because now they want to be. It's like something was shown. It's like they want to be with you now because whatever situation that they were in is not working out in their favor. But they don't have a peace of mind right now, whether it's with their money or because they still feel stuck in a situation. But see, they want to balance things out with you. But see, there is a third party here. There's still some type of third party interference. I feel like they want things to improve with you, but see, they're not speaking up. They're not speaking their truth. Somebody's definitely worried about money. Could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But see, it's like someone's not content with their finances. They're not content with the way things have been playing out here. Tell me more. So they have to remove themselves from a third-party situation. Okay, y'all know, I say it every time, third party can be another man, woman, family member, friend, career, whatever. Whatever situation that this person put themselves in, it's basically like that other individual external from you guys with draining them financially, or like they're trying to go after their pockets. And see, now it's like this person that messed up, they know that they have to get out of this third party situation because it's no good for them. It's toxic. Yeah, see, there was no balance in this. Somebody could have been dealing with a Sagittarius. Tell me more. Back and forth about the Five of Swords. So yeah, this person was confused. It's like they didn't know what they wanted to do, who they wanted to be with. At this point, they felt like they lost you. And I feel like they're coming out of that energy, but you guys just, y'all ain't worried about it. So it looks like they made a decision. Tell me more. I'm telling you, they're getting out of a third-party situation. Somebody is removing themselves out of some type of third-party situation. It's like they're tired of arguing. They're no longer arguing with this other person that they were dealing with. It's definitely somebody in their past. Somebody from childhood. Maybe it's a family member they were just going at it with. But there's somebody here